Okay guys, day 2 here. It's quite windy. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Slept in a little bit. Gonna go do a little bit of sightseeing here in the city while we're here. There's a heat advisory today. It's supposed to get up to about 100 degrees. That should be fun. Forgot the key. Gotta get the key. Alright, so we're gonna drive around the city. See what we can see. Don't forget to strap your helmet on. That's important. So this is Sioux Falls Park. I guess this is why the city is named Sioux Falls. Kind of some mucky water there, but that would be downtown over there. And there's a waterfall. Look at that. What do you know? There's actually waterfalls here. Wait, there's a... do these all count as waterfalls? There's a bunch of them. That there looks like it was supposed to be something at one point. It doesn't look like it's anything right now. They just turned the sprinklers on here. I don't think that one's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It just doesn't look right to me. Unless they're trying to grow another parking lot. So now it's the how do you get through here without getting soaked game. I hate that game. Oh, looks like they turned them back off. That was so kind of them. Okay, I think I found the waterfall. I think this is why they call it Sioux Falls. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Like, it's not a massive waterfall, it's not Niagara. That's still pretty cool. Oh, you can feel it here, look, it's spraying up on me right now. Alright guys, before I get back on the road, I need to stop, get something to eat, and we're better to stop than Pizza Ranch. A pizza and a buffet. Well guys, that's pretty good. Just every time I eat Pizza Ranch, I feel like I could sleep for 2 hours afterwards. Ooh. Okay, well, gotta fill up on gas before I hit the road. Do that real quick. big road. Let's do it. Okay guys, there's a place up here. It's called a corn palace. I'm not sure. Is it made out of corn? Is it a palace for corn to stay in? I'm not sure. So we're gonna check it out. I'm not sure what it's all about. Or where's the parking for it? So we're out here at the corn palace. I'm up on the balcony right now. It is actually made out of corn, guys. Look at all this. That's all like parts of corn and stuff. That whole big side of the building. That's all just different colored corn. That's kind of crazy. And you way up there, it's all corn. And they would decorate this different every year and have a different theme. Look at all this. It's all made out of corn. That's pretty nifty. So all the way in here too. All of these murals, they're all made out of corn. I'm not sure why they've got a basketball court in here. I'm not sure why I'm talking so quiet. It just feels like I should, because there's not many people in here. I hope they don't have a fire, because there'd be a lot of popcorn. Alright guys, leaving the corn palace. It's about 100 degrees out here, so I gotta stop, find something to drink before we hit the road again. Guys, we're about to go over the Missouri River. Look at that. Can you see that? Do you see what I'm seeing? Wow. That's so cool. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's so cool. Check this out, guys. This is so cool. Riding right alongside the Missouri River. Hoping I don't get stuck in this dirt road here. Looks like there's one little boat out there. I actually did a trip last year and I followed the Lewis and Clark Trail way up. Started in down by St. Louis. Then followed all the way up Kansas City, Iowa, and actually there's a huge storm right before I rode through there, and I didn't realize it, so I pulled off the main highway and then drove up in those hills a little ways, just like those ones across the river there. Drove up in the hills and then I couldn't get back to the main highway because everything was flooded. Turned on the road to go back to the main highway and they were all closed because there's water everywhere. It's like water as far as you could see. So I got a little bit worried actually. But I made it. I'm here. I guess you can camp anywhere along here, just like these guys are doing here. Oh, and they got a boat there too. It's a little paddle boat with a trolling motor on it. Good for you. I don't see anyone home. Alright. Time to get back on the road. Well guys, another day, another hotel. Yeah, done riding for the day. It's about 8 o'clock. Really hot today, but it started cooling down pretty nice in the evening. Not as nice of a view out this window. Some nice shrubbery here, and a propane tank down there. It's real nice. You guys should know the drill now. New hotel, new beds. I'm gonna hunt down that ice machine for some more free ice. Gotta take what you can get. Yeah, pretty good. Where is that thing? Oh, and apparently, I thought those were garbage bags that they put in there. Apparently, you're supposed to put them in the bucket. Apparently, the buckets aren't always the cleanest, so they give you that bag. Makes sense to me. That'd be why there are a bunch of black specks in my water yesterday. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna try and go find some food. I don't know what's open. It's a small town. They said the guy at the desk said there's a lot of stuff closed, so we'll see what we can find. Nothing fancy tonight, guys. Subway's the only thing that was open. And it's a little bit later. Small town. That's what you get. I'll see you in the morning.